The check engine light, a crucial signal from your vehicle's onboard diagnostic system, can be alarming when it illuminates. This light can indicate a range of issues, from minor to serious. Often it means there is a problem with the engine, emissions system, or transmission. The first step when this light appears is to check for any obvious issues, such as loose gas caps or strange noises. If things seem normal, you should not ignore the light. Promptly schedule a diagnostic test with a mechanic or use an OBD2 scanner to read the trouble codes. These codes will provide insight into the exact nature of the issue, whether it's an oxygen sensor failure, catalytic converter problem, or something else. Remember, ignoring the light can lead to more significant problems and costly repairs down the line. If your vehicle is experiencing performance issues like decreased fuel efficiency or rough idling, address those promptly. Always consult a professional for repairs, as they have the expertise and tools needed to resolve the issue effectively. Understanding your check engine light is key to maintaining your vehicle's health and ensuring safe driving.